Sorry. Hi, my friends. It's Miss Joanne, and she's going to be embarrassed because she has her gown on because she was just giving Omari a snack.
Good morning, friends.
But yes, that's our wonderful formal wear that we have to wear here when we're in close contact with the students. Better safe than sorry, right? Right. So, I'm looking out the window, and it is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day out there. Let's hope that it stays like that. But I think, eventually in the next few days, we're going to get more weather. Well, of course we'll get more weather. But for right now, it is sunny. So that means on our chart, I'm going to take snowy off because that was finally yesterday, just in time for the commute, so the roads were slippery. Sunny. The days are wrong. Don't look at those. We're going to figure that out in just a second. Ooh, I just got a chill. Zip up my sweatshirt a little bit. Ooh. I feel like putting my scarf on. So, let's figure out what day it is. And I'm going to do it slowly this time so I can hold up the days so you can see them all. Plus, I just want to prolong my singing so, I can bug you guys. Because I just love to bug you. That's what I'm paid for. Just have to put them in order. There we go. Oh, my glasses are getting fogged up by my mask. I don't know why. They're tight against me. There we go. Ready? Omar, you gonna help me? Days of the week. Clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Boom, boom. So, yesterday, I probably can't see this. Oops, going the wrong way with my finger. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday. Geez, did I say it was Tuesday yesterday? For some reason, I'm getting this thing thinking that I said Wednesday. I hope not. Sometimes I have my little geriatric moments. So yesterday was Tuesday. What day comes after Tuesday? It starts with the W. I feel like I'm at a sports thing. Go team. I don't know where that came from. So, we want to figure out which one is the W, the one that starts with W. Does that start with W? Is that the next day? That's Friday. It doesn't start with How about this? Does that start with Saturday. No, that starts with S, which says S. How about this one? Does that start with the letter that says W? Yes, the W says W, because every letter makes a sound, and the W says W. Wednesday. Now, do you see this little N in here? You'd think it would be Wednesday, but they kind of just ignore the N, so it's just Wednesday. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. We already said it's sunny, but now we need to know what's tomorrow, the day after today. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's... What comes next? Does Thursday come next? Or does Monday come next? What's the the day after today? There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. There's Thursday. It starts with a T, so you'd think it would say t-t-t, but it has the H there, which makes it more of a blend, so it says Thursday. Today is Wednesday, and it's sunny out. Tomorrow will be Thursday. I don't know if it's going to be sunny tomorrow or not. It just seems like the weather changes all the time. Well, I guess it does change all the time, but you know what I mean. The forecast changes. So we'll see about it tomorrow. What's the matter? You drop all your toys? Amari's doing his favorite trick. Dropping everything and making us pick it all up again. Not our favorite game, but he likes it. We have been working on, I just want to do this quick. Oh, let me finish this. We need to know what comes next. Yesterday was 9, the 9th. Let's count. Count in your head. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? Does 10 come after 9? Or does 11 come after 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our sentence, our calendar sentence today is Wednesday, February, because we're still in February. We've got a few more weeks to go. February 10th, and the year is 2021, or 2021. Yay, we're in the 2000s. But all their promises they made about vaccines and stuff aren't happening yet. We have been working on the number 7. Right? Yes, 7. That's what the number 7 looks like, and that's how you write the word. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a 7 again is one of those numbers where we need both hands, fingers on both hands to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Woohoo! Or if you don't want to use your thumb, you can do 7. Woohoo! And on this one, we have 7 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have red leaves right there and there. We have orange leaves. We have yellow leaves. And we have green leaves. So that's kind of like a autumnish, fallish 7 leaves. They're the colors that leaves turn into in the fall. Some just stay green. They don't turn anything. Some turn yellow, some turns red, some turns orange, or, combination thereof. I love fall for that reason. So this week we have been working on birds. So I'm just going to continue with one more story on birds, because then we got to move on to Chinese New Year. But since I had already printed this, I didn't want to waste it. So today we are going to read Around the World, Birds. That's the whole world. Here's North America, where we are, and this part of it right in the middle here is the United States of America. And we would be somewhere right over there, Rhode Island. But some of the words we're going to be working on will be world. We just looked at that because we're going all the way around. That's what the world looks like on a globe. The round thing you can spin. So it shows kind of what it looks like what the earth looks like. This is the flat map right here. That's what this is. So it shows it in just that dimension. But it's still the same world. It's just shown differently. So we have the word world. Oh my God, can you guys smell it through the computer? What is that smell? Ooh, P.U., what's that smell? It's stinky. It's stinky. Omari's getting his AFOs on, so I like to tease him about stinky feet when he has his shoes off. Feather. That's what birds are covered with, feathers. I always wanted to be a bird. So that's what I wanted for the longest time. I wanted my magical power so I could fly. Bird. Those are the little animals that you see in the trees and flying around, although not all birds fly. These colors aren't the best because this is when we were running out of some of the colors in the ink printer. Beak. Now that's our bird, and at the very front right here is his beak, and that's how he chirps, because he opens and closes his beak, and that's how he eats. So he gets a little sharp at it, not sharp, like it's not gonna, like, if he pecked us, it's not like it was gonna like cut us open, but it's enough that he can hold on to the seed and either hit the seed against a rock or something, or just use his beak to open it up so he can get to the little piece of nut that's inside the seed, because that's what they eat. And also mama birds use their beak to feed their babies. Legs. Let's see. I don't know if I can lift it that high. We'll see. Well, I can move this down. There's one of my legs. Legs. Oh, and my big sneaker. Legs. What are those glasses doing off? Oops. Here I am showing it to you, but I was not showing it to you. Snow. Oh, goodness. Well, we all know what that is after yesterday and the other day and the day before that. More coming up. Snow. So it snowed around here just in time for us to get out of work. Well, it had been snowing before that, but it was starting to accumulate. So just getting out of the parking lot, because I don't have a very good car with traction. Just getting out of the parking lot, we park here at school. I was sliding. I was like, oh, this is going to be a fun ride home. So I just made sure I wasn't close to the car in front of me in case I slid while I tried to stop, and I tried to do, you know, a little bit less speed, but I don't want to be one of those drivers that everybody honks at because a little bit of snow and they're doing 5 miles an hour. Different. Those are two different shapes. One's a square, one's a circle. They are different. Ooh, I like this one. Colorful. Full of all different colors, and on this we have blue, red, yellow, and green. Colorful, because some birds are very colorful. Oh. Long. So here's short between these hands here, and here's long. Sorry, I'm just having trouble getting the other one. There. Oh, small. This is the big block, and this is the small block. It's little. Small? You said small? Good job. Fast. Some people can run really fast. I was going to call myself Aunt Joanne to you. Miss Joanne was, in high school I could run a little faster than I would be able to now, but then again I was a lot younger then. And then we're going to work on some colors apparently, because there's the color white. Just like this. Background here, white. Oh! Now here's the opposite of what we had. Here we have large. It's pointing to the big square. Here's small, and here's large. It's kind of neat seeing them together. Oh. Guess I don't need this one because there's nothing in it. Travel. That's when you pack some kind of bag with some extra clothes, and you go someplace else. You can do it by walking, you can do it by bus, by train, by a car, by airplane. Travel. Miss Joanne used to like to travel when I had the money to travel, and there was no COVID. Find. That's what something's missing and you have to find it. So they have the little block and they put the piece of paper over it and someone had to find the block because it was under there. You couldn't see it. Miss Julie lost her keys and she still hasn't found, well, I don't want to use found. She still has to find them. Poor Miss Julie. Fly. That's what birds do. They fly up in the sky. They also use it for planes. They say planes fly because they're up in the sky moving. Fly. Like I said, that's one of my superpowers that I would like. That and to be invisible sometimes too. I think that would be cool sometimes. What would you want for a superpower? Invisible, fly, go back in time or ahead of time, be super, super strong. Think about what you would maybe want to be if you had a superpower. I know, silly question because it's not going to happen, but sometimes I think about things like that. Around the world. Birds. Birds. Chirp, 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 chirp. And as we heard yesterday, they make all different kinds of noises. That was cool. Oh, this is nice. They're showing you the map of the world. And then they're showing you different birds that I guess we're going to talk about, and they're pointing to where they're from. So let's go in here and find out where they're from. Let's travel around the world. We will travel to find different birds. I don't know if you can see it there. They have it looks like a snowy owl, and it points way up here to North America. Hummingbird. There's a little bit more here in South America, but we get hummingbirds around here. Flamingos like warm weather too, so they're in the south. Oh, is that a toucan? Is that what you call that kind of bird?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. Again, South America. Ostrich. They're pointing to Africa, but you can also find them in Australia. Can't you find them in Australia too? Ostriches?
I thought so.
Yeah, I thought so too. And the beautiful peacock. And I guess it's going past Australia. The lines are very, very thin. Or very, very light, even with my glasses. Not happening. Oh, I should have looked up flags.
Don't worry, I can get those glasses.
I'm going to get my phone so I can look it up real quick. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Nope, that's not it. You're going to find this. Ah, there we go. This is the flag we're looking at, and it says it's from the country of Venezuela. I was put Brazil in because that's the wrong, why would I think it's Brazil? That's the wrong side. Venezuela, that's in Central America. We see a bird with a colorful beak. Let's travel to another location. trying to find the next flag. Sometimes it helps so much, other times not so much. Yep, that's what I guessed. That is the flag of the country India. We see a bird with long feathers. Let's travel to another location. Peacocks are so pretty. Sometimes you can find a pure white peacock. But I like it with all the colors. I mean, they don't walk around like that all the time. Sometimes it's down when they walk around. Here we are in Cuba. Cuba, that's an island south of us. They have beautiful flamingos there. They're usually some shade of pink, but occasionally you can find white ones too. So we see a bird with long legs. They do have long legs, and look at their knees bend backwards from ours. That's kind of funny. Let's travel to another location. I wish they said more on this. Maybe I'll modify it and add that stuff to it if I keep it. My favorite country, the United States of America. That's us. We see a small bird flying fast. Let's travel to another country. And that's a little hummingbird. They're very, very little. He's going from flower to flower. Hummingbirds are really cute. I want to show you a hummingbird. Here's some different colors. Pretty bluish, greenish one. If I make it much bigger, it gets really blurry. There's another with like a little red head. Very pretty. There was one that has a pretty blue head. Sorry that they're blurry. I just wanted to try. Ooh, that one has like an emerald green head. So pretty. I don't think they chirp much. They just beat their wings so fast that you can actually hear them around because you can hear the wings beating. Do hummingbirds sing? Oh. Let's see what it says here. Maybe it shows it to us. Oh, I was hoping it would have us, but this just tells us about it. Oh, nope, there it is. No, I'm clicking on it. It's not helping. Anyways, we're wasting time. Ooh, now we're in Canada, which is part of North America like us, but it's above us. It's colder than us. We see a white bird. That's a snowy owl. Let's travel to another location. And he's in those colors so he can blend in with trees and stuff because he's in an area that has a lot of snow and ice. And here we have the largest bird in the world, an ostrich. And he's in Africa. I guess I told you every other flag. I should look this flag up. I guess I should have looked at this. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, I'll never be able to see these. that's not the right one. Here we go. Just trying to find the right one. Oh, that looks like it, but I'm trying to see if I, oh, hey. Here we go. Now we can see it better. It doesn't tell you what the country is. But it's here in Africa. We saw birds from around the world. Travel with me again soon. The end. And I should have told you at the beginning that, oh, again, it's written by our friend Travis Schaefer. But the person, the artist that drew the pictures, the illustrator, was Andrea Bockard. We see a lot of books by Travis off of the News Teal Library. So that's that. So now I figured we would do a little bit with shapes. And we're going to look at the star. See how it has all these pointy parts? Kind of made up a lot of little triangles. The star. The hexagon, and it's called that because it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hex, that means 6. Hexagon. Oh, this is what we work on. Triangle, and the tri means 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides on the triangle. Circle. That kind of just has the line that goes around and around and around she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Whoops. Oh, I thought it stayed there. And we have the square. And that has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all the same length. They're all equal to each other. And this is what, because I don't think we did this one, but this is what we were going to do today. We're going to, well, I don't know if we'll color right now because I don't have, and count and graft our shapes. Well, I guess I could get my whiteout markers and color. So the first shape they're looking for right here is the square. They want this one. So we need to find, let me get some white markers. Ouch, whiteboard markers. Ouch. Hey, Miss Joanne. Sorry about that, but I'm back. And what color do we want to make our squares? Should we make them green? So this is what we are looking for. We want to find this shape, our squares. So let's start up here and start looking to see if we can see any squares. Inside the snowflakes, on the hat. Do you see any squares? How about right here? That's a square. It was just on its side like that, but it's a square. Let's color that in. And while I was coloring that one in, I found another one. I'll show you. Square. So let's count. How many squares do we have? 1, 2. And this is how you graft it. So now we're going to say we have 1 and 2. So we're going to color those in. It's just another way of keeping track of how many. And this way you can see which one had more, which one had less. All right, next we have the circle. And I'm going to do this yellow because it reminds me of the sun. We need to find circles. Oh, that's yellow too. Do Do you see any circles in the picture? Look all around. How about right there? Do those look the same? All of those? They do. Let's color those in. Oops, just wiped off my green off my square. Either that or my fingers. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's find the circle, and we'll go down this. There's 5 right there, so we're going to color all the way to here. So that's how many circles. So right now we can look at it and say, oh, we have more circles than squares. Or we have less squares than circles. Now we're going to look at triangles. And Miss Joanne, oh, I thought this was purple, but it looks more bluish. Oh well, I guess it is blue. We are going to look for triangles. And our triangle here is green, but we're going to color ours on this sheet blue. So we're looking for triangles. Do you see any? Oh, is it over here what you're looking for? Oh, it's behind the trash.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh, you can go in a stander if you want.
Oh, I forgot.
1, 2, 3. Just coloring this in. There we go. So that shows us that we have 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. Now we have the star. Let's make the star pink. So I'm just gonna, oh, you know what? I didn't even ask you to find it. I'm already colored in. That's okay. You can still help me find it. But we are looking for our star. And Miss Joanne colored it pink, this color. Do you see a pink star on our paper anywhere? All the way up here? But we only have one. The poor star. We only have one star. Boo! Only one star. And now we want to find hexagons. Remember, that has 6 sides. Do you see any hexagons over here? Do you see any? Oh, I see. They're right there inside these snowflakes. Let's see. We have blue, we have pink, we have yellow. We'll do that in a lime green. And we have 1. And I'll show it to you. 2, it'd be easier to just color it like this, and we'll hold it up and color it for you. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hexagons. So we would go. Let's find our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This column. So this is how many we would have of hexagons. There we go. Not the best coloring, but, and that's our graph. And like I said, this way we can easily see which one has the most, the highest number of shapes. And that is the circle with 5. And which one has the least amount of up there? And we see this one right here, it's only in the number 1 column. So, and we only have 1 star. So that's the least number of stars on our chart. I know, kind of confusing, but the more we go over this kind of stuff, that's how you learn. Right? Right. So that is our video for today. I hope you all have a great, great, great rest of the day. I didn't say hi to everybody individually, so I'll do it like this. Hi, Jeremiah. Bye, Jeremiah. Hi, Lucas. Bye, Lucas. Hi, Josiah. Bye, Josiah. And hi, our friend Caitlin. Bye, Caitlin. Now we have to say bye to one more person.
Hi, friends. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.
Miss Julie. Bye, Omari. And finally, I'll wave to myself. Bye, Miss Joanne. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.